Arteries are the blood vessels that transport oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Our organs and body tissues rely on oxygen in order to function properly, which means that our arteries and blood vessels play an extremely important role. Unfortunately, sometimes our diet and lifestyle choices can cause arteries to become clogged, which increases the likelihood of a heart attack or stroke. There are definitely foods that many of us eat that can increase the likelihood of a blockage. With that said, thankfully Mother Nature has provided us with some amazing natural herbs that may actually help prevent them from becoming clogged over time. And that is exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. Be sure to watch until the end because there's one herb that not too many people know about. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But the first herb that we should mention is ginger. Ginger is a flowering plant that is widely used not only for cooking, but also for medicinal purposes around the world. It's been used to treat nausea, help with weight loss, treat chronic indigestion, and fight infections. What most people don't realize is that it can benefit the cardiovascular system as well. Ginger has bioactive components and antioxidants that help reduce oxidative damage due to stress. Studies found that it can lower blood pressure levels, which reduces heart disease risk factors in people with type 2 diabetes. It also has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, which is linked to a lower risk of heart disease as well. Next up is Camellia Sinensis, or more commonly known as green tea. Studies found that those who drink green tea regularly tend to have a healthier cardiovascular system than those who don't. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols, which researchers believe to offer multiple health benefits, of course including your heart and blood vessels. One study found that those who drink green tea were 20% less likely to experience heart disease or have a stroke. They were also 22% less likely to pass away from heart-related conditions. Cinnamon is another herb that can benefit the cardiovascular system. It's native to the Caribbean, South America, and Southeast Asia, and has been used since ancient times for its medicinal properties. It contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that are responsible for improving cholesterol and blood pressure levels. A study found that eating 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon per day can decrease your blood sugar, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol levels. All, of course, is good for your arteries and cardiac tissue. Another one that you should know about is Arjunarishta. This is actually a combination of multiple different herbs and has traditionally been used as a natural remedy for treating heart-related issues. Its properties have been shown to lower cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure levels. As we mentioned, these are the 3 key risk factors for heart disease. It also contains antioxidant properties which can limit the free radicals that are linked to chronic cardiovascular conditions. Hawthorn is another herb that we need to mention because of the benefits that it has to offer. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat high blood pressure due to its vasodilator effects. Hawthorn has also been shown to decrease the fats found in blood, such as cholesterol and triglycerides, which reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. Less fat in your blood equates to less plaque buildup in your arteries, so that oxygenated blood can flow freely to other parts of the body. Next up is rosemary, which is an herb that is native to the Mediterranean region and is touted for many different health benefits. When it comes to the cardiovascular system, rosemary has actually been shown to lower blood sugar levels. Its compounds work to increase the absorption of glucose in your muscle cells, which decreases the amount that is absorbed in the blood. This can be beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes and other risk factors of heart disease. White willow bark is another herb that we need to mention. It's often referred to as nature's aspirin because it has similar effects when it comes to treating pain and reducing inflammation. Aspirin works as an anticoagulant or blood thinner and keeps the platelets in your arteries from clumping together. This decreases the likelihood of a blood clot forming and reduces the risk of a heart attack or stroke. More research is needed when it comes to the comparison of willow bark to aspirin. But as always, be sure to speak with your doctor first before taking any new supplements or herbal remedies because they will know more about your individual condition. Next up on our list is parsley. Parsley is an herb that is loaded with beneficial vitamins and nutrients that may actually work to improve your heart health. It's especially high in folate, which has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease in certain populations. Researchers believe that folate decreases levels of homocysteine in your body, which is an amino acid that has been linked to a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Thankfully, parsley is a tasty spice that can easily be incorporated into your diet. And we couldn't have made this video without mentioning turmeric. Turmeric is the bright yellow spice that is often found in Indian cuisine. It wasn't until recently that medical experts discovered its positive health benefits. It contains antioxidants that work to prevent fatty deposits from developing in your arteries. It contains anti-inflammatory properties as well that work to prevent the arteries from hardening over time. Turmeric offers many other health benefits for the human body that we could talk about, but we'll save that for another video. Next up on our list is ginseng. Ginseng is an herb loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that offers several different benefits for our body systems. It's often known for enhancing cognitive functioning, but many don't realize that it can positively affect the cardiovascular system as well. Studies found that ginseng can lower blood sugar levels by improving pancreatic cell functionality and enhancing the uptake of glucose in body tissues. Keeping your blood sugar levels in check is helpful for those with diabetes and reduces the risk of a heart attack or stroke. Real quick guys, if you don't mind, do me a massive favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. In fact, we have other videos on this topic that cover some of the best foods, beverages, and vitamins that you can take to reduce the likelihood of a blockage in your arteries. We also have videos that cover which foods you should avoid. If you're interested, I'll drop links to a few of them down below in the description. I hope you like the tips that were shared in this video, and hopefully you're now one step closer to keeping your arteries clean and improving your overall health. As always, please be sure to speak with your doctor for medical advice and treatment because they will know more about your individual condition. Again, this video is for informational purposes only. And if you want to learn more about this topic, we do have a full guide on our website. I'll drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.